This morning in front of my house, I have a bunch of birds. A bunch. Hold on, I'm trying to get it straight here. Well, that was pretty this morning. They're like all grown over. They're like up in this, they're like crazy. Anyway, I'm on the way to work. They're like going crazy everywhere. I wonder what it is. Maybe it's the, whoa, I am like super zoomed in on my face. Hold on. Good morning. So you got to see the birds that were in my yard. What is this? They're in the other lane getting ready to turn. Like, duh. That's the oncoming traffic lane, retard. Anyway, I was waving to the crossing lady in the morning. Good morning, crossing lady. It's 8:30 in the morning. On the way to work. I'm in a pretty good mood. My sunglasses have something on them. Got pretty good sleep last night. Just always a yay plus. A yay plus. Trying to tell if that's better. Anyway. So got my video up last night. Yay plus again. Do you like that? Yay plus. And here I am again. Trying to figure out, I noticed that on my videos I've been doing a lot of like speaker covering or something, so I'm trying to figure out what am I doing. Sorry if I'm holding you upside down, and sorry about that. Anyway, this morning is our registration fee for our Biggest Loser contest. So today is the day that it gets actually official that we're in the contest. Woo! I got my 30 bucks, so I'm ready to go. Thanks. Pull up in front of me, people. Where is the speaker on this thing? I keep covering it up, but I don't know where it's at. Hopefully this is not where it's at. Anyway, okay. So registration due this morning. So it makes it official. I believe the weigh-in is actually Wednesday. Wednesday is the weigh-in. I'm gonna wear my boots. No, I'm gonna be fair. I'm gonna be fair. My honey's not feeling too well this morning. He is at home. Last year, in October, he got really bad stomach ulcers, and that actually was in the hospital for 3 days, and since then his stomach hasn't been right. Well, before then it hasn't been right, but he's not feeling too well this morning. It's really hurting him. But I will let you go so I can drive through the traffic to work. Traffic to work. Bye. What's up? Hey, honey. What are you snacking on? Cone Pops. Cone Pops. What are you doing? Katie? On what?
Looking at videos on YouTube.
Like what?
Absolutely no artificial sweeteners.
BBB. No.
50% less sugar and calories.
What?
100% fabulous.
Stuff?
Yeah.
Stuff. She's looking at stuff.
Stuff? Like?
I'm looking at stuff. I like stuff. I like to look at stuff on the internet. Like really stuff.
Like what, Katie?
Stuff.
Hold on, I'll show you.
She's looking for nude photos of Andy.
No, that's me.
That's what?
That's taking it way too far.
Mayhem, like Alston. Rob and Maggie just got married.
Are you sure that you're gay?
Who is it?
I don't know. Random people.
Looks like Katie.
I know, that's what I thought.
Okay, Caroline, let's hear.
Right.
I can't believe this. You are back. You just leave like out of the blue and then you just show up again like
Hey.
nothing happened. You know how much you meant to me?
Right.
I was in love.
Fried pickles on pan. Fried to perfection and served with creamy ranch dressing. Enjoy them now because they won't be around for long. Zaxby's, indescribably good.
Righty. Righty.
I've been an attorney for 38 years. I'm not a paid spokesperson. And Harold's not a
You look a gremlin.
experienced local law firm.
Riley.
Just handles thousands of cases.
Where you going?
When you
Where you
get
leaving me?
that you need
Where you
someone
going?
Someone you can trust.
call us. 7 days a week.
Hey, Danny. Hey, Danny.
511111.
Hey, Danny. Whoa, Bubbles. Whoa. Attack of the Stanley Man.
You've never seen.
Hey.
Where's he from? Jack and the Beanstalk. Does he have any family quite like this?
Mine's not as bright as yours.
I just fell out of the sky. If you don't see the new Grandma, you won't know Jack.
It's pretty ghetto when you have to use your phone for a flashlight. And Stanley just snugged all over your face. Stanley! We're watching the new Fear Factor. Blech. Ready?